Imagine this. You're sitting in a boardroom and your team has just pitched a billion-dollar idea. A new offshore drilling platform or a groundbreaking app. Excitement fills the room. But here's the catch. A great idea alone means nothing unless you know how to bring it to life. So how do projects actually move from just an idea on paper to a finished success? The secret lies in 5 powerful steps, the project life cycle. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how world-changing projects are built step by step. Let's dive in. The project life cycle is the master roadmap. Every project, whether building a skyscraper, launching a satellite, or running a student competition, follows these 5 stages. Skip one, and you risk failure. Master them, and you can handle any project with confidence. Every journey starts with initiation, the green light. This is where ideas meet reality. We ask, is this project worth our time, money, and effort? Goals are clarified, feasibility is tested, and approvals are secured. It's like testing the ground before laying the first brick. Once the idea is approved, we enter planning, the heart of the life cycle. Here, the project is mapped out, with tasks, schedules, budgets, and risk strategies. Think of planning as creating a detailed blueprint. Without it, execution is like building a house with no design. You're guaranteed chaos. Now comes execution, the action stage. This is where the team rolls up their sleeves and brings the plan to life. In engineering, this might look like construction sites buzzing with workers, or in IT, coders designing software features. It's the most visible and energy-filled phase, where ideas start becoming reality. But execution alone isn't enough. Projects must stay on course. That's where monitoring and controlling come in. Budgets are checked, timelines tracked, and risks managed. It's like a pilot constantly adjusting the controls to keep a plane steady through turbulence. Without this, even the best plan can fall apart. And finally, closing. The project deliverables are handed over, contracts completed, and lessons learned documented. Closing is about celebrating success, but also learning for the future. Because every project, whether it's a triumph or a struggle, teaches us something for the next challenge. So here's the full cycle in motion. Initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Together, these phases guide a project from a spark of an idea to a completed achievement. But here's the twist. Projects don't exist in a vacuum. The type of organization you're in can completely change how these phases play out. In the next video, we'll explore how different organizational structures, functional, projectized, and matrix, can make or break your project. If this breakdown helped you see projects more clearly, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the next lecture. And tell me in the comments, have you ever seen a project fail because of poor planning or lack of control? Your insights could spark a great discussion. Thanks for watching Academic Engineering, where we don't just study projects, we learn how to bring them to life.